Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Dear student, our today's topic is matching. Today we will do matching. Let's see today's topic. Our today's topic is matching, and this is lecture number 14, and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 13 number SW. You can see here is a two matching. This is matching number 1 and this is matching number 2. We will do this matching. At first see, in this box here is the left side and right side. In left side here, in your exam here will be 5 point, and in right side here will be 7 point. But we will match 5 matching from here. Let's do this. At first you can see matching 1 number is oral saline. Oral saline will be matched with, if we read 1 number here, keeping our body neat and clean. No, 2 number is relieving diarrhea. Yes, it will be matched with 2 number. So we will match this oral saline relieving diarrhea. 2 number is keeping toilet clean, and if we read this point, keeping toilet clean, preventing waterborne disease, 2 number will be matched with here 3, keeping toilet clean, preventing waterborne disease. 3 number is relief from stress. It will be matched with here 4 number, listening songs, reading book. So we will match this here, relief from stress, listening songs, reading book. And 4 number is personal hygiene, and here is 1 number point is keeping our body neat and clean. It will be matched with 1 number. So personal hygiene will match with here, keeping our body neat and clean. And here is last number 5 number, waterborne diseases are the diseases. It will be matched with the last here, caused by taking contaminated water. So we will match with this. Now I will show you how will you answer this matching. In your exam you have to write like this. Suppose here is 1 number is matched with here Roman number 2. So we will write 1 plus, then we have to write all word here, and here is oral saline plus relieving diarrhea. And then 2 number keeping toilet clean, it will match with here Roman number 3, preventing waterborne disease. Then we will write like this, 2 plus 3 number, here is In left side, keeping toilet clean plus preventing waterborne disease. Third number, relief from stress. It will match here Roman number 4, 3 plus 4, and here is relief from stress. Plus here is 4 number, listening song. Reading book. Four number, personal hygiene, will match 1 number, keeping our body neat and clean. 1. You have to write this way, our body neat and clean. Now 5 number, waterborne diseases are the diseases. It will match with caused by taking contaminated water. 5 plus 7. Here is waterborne diseases are the diseases plus here is caused by taking contaminated water. Now we will do matching number 2. In our matching 2, in left side here is same 5 points here, and this right side here is 7 point, and we will match 5 sentence from here to here. First one is the earth. The earth is, it will match with this planet. The earth is a planet, so it will match with this. And 2 number is the sun. The sun is star, then it will match with here 4 number. And Milky Way will match with galaxy. And then the moon, 4 number, will match with satellite. Moon is a satellite. And last one, the universe will match with, the universe is expanding with the time. It will match with 1 number. So you have to do this matching, like matching number 1, like 1 number will match with here 6 number, so 1 plus 6. In left side here is the earth plus planet, and 2 number, 2 plus 2 will match with 4 number, the sun plus star, and 3 number plus 2 number, Roman number 2, Milky Way plus galaxy, 4 number plus Roman number 3, the moon plus satellite, 5 number, that means the last one will be matched with Roman number 1. Here is the left side, the universe plus is expanding with the time. So, dear student, I hope finish my today's topic. Now, I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 13 number SW. This is 13 number SW. Please write down your SW number on your SW copy, and your SW will be matching number 1. Here is a 2 matching, and you have to do matching number 1. This is your SW. I am repeating your SW. This is 13 number SW, and your SW will be matching 1. So, dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assign SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So, dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.